Hi everyone, this is Shivam from IARE and I'm currently into the first year. And coming to Java Bootcamp, it was quite a blissful session, not only about the learning but about the way how to present ourselves. And coming to the coding language, Java, one of the most interesting language, because like there you get to solve the day-to-day life problems in a very unique manner. You can literally get your answers from the computer itself by typing your codes. And like it might sound like this language is very hard, but our bootcamp provided us that easy statements where we could learn all the Java language very simply, and not about the efficiency but the way they thought, like each and every concept. Coming to our bootcamp, it was quite a blissful session because each and everything was so well mannered and well thought that we didn't have any doubt among ourselves. Like every time we used to touch a program, like we would definitely get the idea in our head, like what to type and how to get the solution. Getting the whys and whens to your questions is the most important thing, and this bootcamp provided us the whys and whens to our questions. Like the purpose of Java is the most important thing, because nowadays coming to object oriented programming language, Java is one of the object oriented programming languages, because this is newly introduced and all, like the world is developing in a unique manner. So Java is one of the unique language where you can teach yourself Java and grow a lot. Our faculty was very much like they were very skilled, and I would literally love to learn once again from them, because the way they thought was very simply and well qualified manner. They thought each and everything with such a clarity that again there would be no doubt. And it was quite a grateful session, because we got sums to practice. And to be honest, it was on my first day I didn't even have any idea about what Java is. And after day-to-day learning, like I was very interested in Java. Every time I used to go home, like I used to open my laptop and practice many codes. I mean, there was a unique solution to each and every question, and that was like very interesting. That made me put my heart into Java, and it was very great session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sami Krishna Kiriti and I'm doing my BTech first year at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and I'm doing my computer science degree right now. And I'm here to share my experience on the Java bootcamp that I have attended. It was a very knowledgeful experience. They started off from the very basics to stuff like inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. It was a very knowledgeful experience, and the classes were very interactive and fun as well. In the morning we'd have the theory classes, whereas in the afternoon we'd have practical sessions where the teachers would give us questions to solve. The staff were very helpful at both the places. Thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Kumkum. I'm from CSC first year in IARE campus, and I'm one of the person who have attempted Java bootcamp. And as I've started from scratch, so like before I didn't have even 0% knowledge on Java, but due to IARE, the conducting Java bootcamp, I got to know much about it in just 12 days. And it was the first day for me, I still remember. And first class was like little bit frustrating for me because I don't have any knowledge on that. But later, by the help of faculty members who helped me, and to be honest, they were very helpful. And because we don't have any knowledge on that, but still they have helped from basic to the basic level to advanced level. And my friends also who already know Java, they even helped me because and what I loved most about the Java bootcamp was the OD and IT session, because till afternoon OD, and after lunch IT park, because in the OD while teaching, if few things which we don't understand in OD, those things used to get clarified in IT park. And with that, after the theory session used to finish, they used to give us some questions to do on those particular topics which they have taught us on that day. As in the IT park, after completing those questions, the faculty members who are in the IT park, they used to give us some additional questions which were helpful. And it was very nice experience. And as I don't know about anything Java at the start moment, so I was excited about it to know more about that. And daily, it used to be a new start. Daily used to be a new thing to learn about it, and that was mostly because daily learning the same thing will be a little bit boring for everyone. So every day new topic and new questions, and doing the same thing, and it was very nice. And I got to know about Java so many things from basic. It was the first program, Hello World. It was first one, and from there to doing all the data types, variables, everything, arrays. methods, everything was, so I felt it was very helpful for me, and I got a lot interest in Java. And as for the faculty members, I felt they were very helpful first thing, and because there were many students in the IT Park and Audi who don't know anything about it, but still they helped them. And I still remember there were few students who were absent for 5 days like that, but so they were lacking 5 days of knowledge. But still, those faculty members have not scolded them or anything why you are absent or something like that. But they specially take out a time for them and sat for them and just made a group of them and teach them from basic level. That was a very impressive thing, because there were many people in the audit and IT Park also who were already, they know Java. They have learned it during their school level or during the 3 months gap due to TS counseling or something like that. So they were already know. So it for faculty members, it was quite good way for faculty who handed those people who know, already have the knowledge on that, and even the people like us who don't have knowledge on that. So the very good way they have handled both the students. And as everyday questions was definitely very impressive thing. And for me personally, I loved it, and I think now I have quite well knowledge on that. And even daily I'll be doing 5 to 10 questions on Java, particularly after going home. And now I feel that okay, now I think not all but 50% I'm okay with Java, because I have knowledge that much now. And Java Bootcamp helped me a lot. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh and I am a student of IARE. Starting from engineering, everyone had a dream to get a job, but our college IARE provided a great facility starting with Java. So every college starts with C or Python, but in reality, it needs Java to get a job. So I was searching a lot about how to get a job, but there was no need of out resources, but our college provided a great facility providing Java Bootcamp at first. And also college provided such as great like BT23, which had new regulations and updated learning facilities such as TV, AV rooms, and many more. Our college had great teachers which also had to like explaining our doubts and clarifying our doubts too easy. At starting I would not even able to solve problems, but now I am a bit confident that I can able to achieve something after my 4 years of my journey, thanks to IARE providing such a great start for us. And I would thank to every faculty of IARE. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kranti and I'm from CSE branch. So about the Java program which happened recently, it was for 12 days and none of us had a basics in Java program. We didn't even have basics in C or C++. So when we were told about this Java program, all of us had this confusion whether we'll be able to do it or not. But it was actually quite fun, and since the first day we were given so many basics. We were taught each and everything in detail, and they didn't let us, they didn't leave us saying that they can do it, they'll do it basics karke. But instead they helped us all, and even if we asked, very silly doubts, they were like explaining us with a lot of carefulness whether we are able to understand it or not. And they helped us a lot. We had, we had some problems in middle, like freshers day and all, but still they were able to help us. And whenever we asked for other helps in auditorium also, each and every person, they came to us, near us, and they asked what exactly our problem is. They found out where we were making the mistake and helped us. And we were taught many things like methods, data types, and we were given different kinds of question. And it was actually quite fun because we had different kinds of question which we didn't knew actually, those type of questions exist. And we also, now when I'm going to C program right now, I can see there are many similarities and I'm able to understand both of them very well. And actually it helped me a lot in many other things. And I was able to help many other people, my friends. And we also have a platform of our college, which is Build IT. And we were given to do basics question. There were 4 of them and they were quite fun, and we had done it very simply. And And then we also had a hackathon where we were actually first scared because we didn't do any questions like those hackathons and all, but everyone were able to do more than 300, like we scored more than 300. And people had fun, auditorium and all. It was not just like only studies karke, but it was like all were together, we helped each other, and it was impressive, to be honest. And the faculty and all also helped us a lot. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.